So, starting about 3 days ago, day after Christmas, my ducks started turning up dead one at a time. First one was found right here with its neck and head torn open. And the second duck was found right here, frozen. Same deal, neck and head torn open. Blood on the ground, and right here is from last night. We fortified the door here with 2 more layers of chicken wire, tucked everybody in, and was a little ruckus out here. Went to check, and my biggest male duck, a blue ancona named Blue Whale, was in here and had his wing stuck in this wire here and was just flopping around hopelessly. So I get up close, and there was blood all over his neck. Nowhere near the stuck wing, but blood all over his neck, and I was pretty sure the injury was not self-inflicted. So all of the ducks got moved into the chicken coop for the night, where they will be going back again tonight, because I don't know what to do with them until we scare this predator off. Thinking weasel, because I mean, the door was fortified, and I didn't see a whole lot of tracks of anything, but it's been snowing, so the snow could have covered things. They're all freaked out, so they go back with their goose guardians every day, but at night from here on out, this flock is gonna have to go in with the chickens, because there's no other way to keep them safe right now. Yeah, there's nowhere to keep you safe. And this guy's all fucked up. This is the guy that got attacked right here in the front. His head and his neck were all torn open. Bites all over him, bleeding everywhere. Uh-oh. That's his buddy Rishi behind him, and a Cayuga duck in there is one of his favorite girls. Hi. Yeah, we don't want to lose any more ducks. Lost my only ancona female to whatever is getting these guys, and lost my only runner duck. So, not cool, and definitely going to change up where they're housed and kept at night, so we don't lose any more. Yeah, dude, you're all messed up. You can just see his neck is a mess. I know, you're wondering what I'm following you around with a camera for. Poor guy is really messed up. Yeah. Got the baby monitor rigged up half-assed because the base is kind of missing, and had an accident. This should allow me to monitor the inside of the chicken coop audio and visually to ensure that whatever is getting at the ducks doesn't get in here, hopefully. Recommend one of these for every coop if you don't have a camera in your coop already. It's a good idea. So the ducks were in here last night, and the night before, and they never want to come out in the morning. They seem to really dig it in here, so I have to escort them over to the geese so they can hang out with them again for the day. And not poop all over the chicken coop. Silly ducks, come on. You guys gonna migrate on your own today? You gonna go back over with the geese on your own? Like good ducks? Yeah. That's good, ducks. That's good, ducks. I gotta get the door open for you. Yeah? Yeah, I do. Silly ducks. I'm gonna go back and play with your goose friends. Alright, hang on. Let me get your door open. For a door, right? Oh shit, you didn't eat all your food from yesterday. Alright. Come on, you guys.